new fun. Crypto taking a pounding. So Mara, I'm going to take a massive pounding on this out the gate. DGLY, I'm going to take a massive pounding on that out the gate today. It's going to be a painful day, ladies and gents. I am prepped for it. It's going to be painful. Decisions to make for sure. But we will see what we will see. What is it that I'm looking at? I am looking at, I want this. I want, what? All right. Okay. So one of the things that I had to do this morning, guys, in regards to the crypto decline was actually, yeah, I closed out crypto yesterday. Well, the market closed yesterday, and I was up $300 on crypto on Mara, and now it's down. Oh, sweet. More good news for WPRT. That's fantastic. RC back. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning, sir. Awesome, Cobbler. I love to hear that. Yeah, definitely finish it up. Let me know what you think. It is one of my all-time favorites. In regards to crypto, guys, we're down to 32.3 right now. It's not the absolute bottom, but it's headed for 30. Mara, in turn, is following suit. The thing with Mara, guys, is I think Bitcoin is going to be at this level forever. My answer is very, very clearly no. I think crypto bounces back. So for me, this is probably going to be a buy the dip. What I really would like to see is some news out of IPOF. In regards to DGLY, I'm still bullish on DGLY. I think they're a $5 company. I think that their next earnings is going to be huge. I think that we see this new administration. Start to give out forgiveness on the PPP loans, which is going to directly affect DGLY. February 11th is their next projected earnings. I think it's going up. I think it's going to beat. What's up? What's up? What's up? So news that I'm looking at, guys. Yellen mentioned regulating because of illicit use of Bitcoin, which is what's causing Bitcoin to decline here, which is a bit of a joke, really. It just shows that she completely misunderstands what she's doing. The funny thing is, when she says regulate, what they're looking to regulate is the exchanges, not the coin itself. She won't be able to actually regulate the coin, but putting restrictions on the exchanges as to who can use it or what kind of information they need to provide. But at the same time, as news of illicit happens, BlackRock, which is the new government best buddy when it comes to finance, has just approved investment in Bitcoin futures. So, also, the OCC, the Office of the Comptroller of Currency, was a former board member of Ripple. So expect there to be some level of positive push on cryptocurrency. Also, they have canceled, Biden has frozen all of the rulemaking from Mnuchin on cryptocurrency. So there's a pile of good news on cryptocurrency that's just sitting under the radar on this right now. I am bullish on cryptocurrency into the end of the year, and will continue to be. We did have some vandalism last night, Seattle and Portland. For those of you that missed that, that was a thing. It hasn't affected DGLY's price movement. One of the things that I am noticing out the gate is protests in Seattle and Portland are getting very, very little media attention. Shocker. Absolute shocker. Very little media attention that there are riots and protests still. We do have a mask order in place traveler quarantines and COVID coming from Biden. I mean, my due diligence on crypto, guys, is it just goes. It's just gonna go. Like I'm looking at the chart. Look, like this is not a lose your mind scenario here. What's happening? We had red days like this before back here, and it just bounces back. I think that we see the media have a real soft hands approach to Biden. I don't expect anywhere near the level of scrutiny on Biden and his decisions, nor do I expect there to be negative press surrounding what's going on in the States. Where I think it all goes to shit real quick is, and I'm not hoping for this to happen, but statistically, there is a really good chance that sometime in the next 3 to 4 weeks, there will be a shooting. A police officer will shoot a black man somewhere in the US, and that's going to be some drama because Biden's going to have to do something on that front. Schwab says Mara is deficient in meeting its listing requirements. Are you aware of any info on this? Not that I'm aware of. Is there an article, or is that just Schwab being cited? You're down 12% on DGLY and Mara. Yeah, I'm not sure what the numbers are. I'll know when the market opens where exactly I am, but um, probably that, if not more. Keeps taking me to Canada, and I don't want to go to Canada. Schwab, Mara. Let's see what comes up. Abez Life with that 300 cheer. Thank you so much. Greatly appreciate it. Okay. Okay, that's good to know. Yeah, I hadn't heard anything about that, so I mean that's kind of cool to see. Yeah, with BlackRock as of today looking to invest two ETFs into Bitcoin futures. I think that we see today and tomorrow show a bounce back on Bitcoin and cryptocurrency. Yellen, let's be honest, is going to have her hands full with a whole pile of bullshit long before she looks at crypto. Crypto is like bottom tier what she has to deal with right now. She's got to deal with stimulus. She's got to deal with equity employment. She's got it, like her hands are full. Are you still in IPIX? No, I exited IPIX. Good morning, good morning, good morning. I'm gonna go grab a coffee, guys. I'll be right back. Then we will do the marbles. Go ahead and join up. When I'm back with my coffee, we will go, 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 go. Oh, I didn't mean to be muted. No, yeah, I'm gonna unmute myself in Discord there. Did you X or double down on Mara after the over 10% drop? I haven't done anything. I haven't done anything with it. This morning I spent a lot of time looking at what's actually going on with crypto. I was thinking I was going to exit this morning, but after reading what I've read, I don't think I'm going anywhere. But yeah, get in, get in, get in. I'm gonna go grab a coffee. I'll be right back. All right, let's get the ball rolling here. Good morning, everybody. Let's get down to work. I will only be around until 11 today, guys, so keep that in mind. Round and round we go. Thoughts on DGLY? It is down hard this morning. DGLY is one that I'm going to be going back through today, making sure I understand what direction they're heading in. NFL has Super Bowl. Yeah, we'll see. We'll see. We'll see. We'll see. Yeah, for me, I'm not going anywhere on crypto, guys. The work that I did this morning, breaking down what's actually happening with crypto outside of a one sentence, but criminals use it from Yellen. Everything else is unchanged. In fact, BlackRock is going to start investing in them today, investing in Bitcoin futures today. So I personally think that Bitcoin is still going to be super, super strong. Now, that being said, the market right now has Bitcoin down at 31. Yeah, I don't think anybody expected anything but that. There was an appointment to the OCC, who used to be a board director for Ripple, so they do have somebody who's on uh, the comptroller of currency. The head of that now is somebody who was on the board of Ripple, so somebody who has at least some understanding of cryptocurrency, what it is and how it works. So that'll be good. I don't know if I'm going to average down. I might. But in order to do that, I'm going to have to exit another position. So I'm just not sure. Not sure about what decision to make on it. So we'll see. Is this a blow off top? I don't know what that is. Bum, 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 bum. Man, this is Chi Chi's course. He just gets this map. Oh, down again. Chi Chi's comes not first. Snow No Flake taking the win. What's going to be Snow No Flake? Snow No Flake takes the win. Yeah, I don't. Yeah, Carve Daddy, if you're talking technicals, I don't look at technicals. That means absolutely nothing to me. I exited SNDL profitable. So I had good timing on it. All right. Ticker from Snowflake. And then we are going to be looking at crypto today, guys. We are going to be looking at Bitcoin. It's 32 right now, floating that 32 line, which is where it's been before. Gene, Gene. I don't think I'll be taking a ton of trades today, guys. It will be a relatively low and slow trading day. What I do have to come to terms with as far as making a decision is whether or not I'm going to exit a position in order to buy the dip. And the thing is with that, if I'm going to do that, I'm going to do that out of IPOF and take a win. But in doing that at the same time, I'm probably going to leave cash on the table because I won't get another 1247 entry on this. Mind you, this would let me take Mara back up to a $20,000 position. So I am kind of tempted to do that. I think as soon as I get out of, you know what, fine. Let's do it. Let's do it. I'm gonna do this though, and IPOF is gonna get news today, and I'm gonna kick myself forever, but I'm gonna do it. Filled immediately. Okay. Damn, filling real fast. Okay, so pre-market, let's update this.
So I'm glad I listened to you in the whole sense that there was no point in expanding to alt tech with some of my videos,
Yeah.
especially with them going to shut down all these other places. So yeah, I did, however, expand to one platform, which I think you'd probably say, yeah, it's okay. It's not, it wouldn't do no harm. Is a Facebook video.
Okay.
Yeah. So I figured it's the biggest platform out there, and people keep assaulting with these stupid ads. So I mean, I figured why not? It's not going to hurt. Probably just die in obscurity, but whatever.
No, don't do it, Sean. I hear you, man. I'm still in BTWN. I believe in Peter Thiel, Richard Lee. Chamath is taking his sweet ass time. It is IPOF, so we'll see. What did I get? 550 shares at 1656 on Mara.
I find it very funny too how Facebook, they have an active keyword filter. I don't know what it was because I posted a bunch of like the descriptions from my regular videos on YouTube on there, and it's like, yeah, you can't post this or whatever. I'm like, what the fuck? You won't tell me which word is bad.
Yara with that follow. Thank you so much, guys. By the way, if you are new to the stream, make sure you click that follow button. I do this every day from 9:30 till 11. Pop on here, trade with you guys, give you guys some insight into my due diligence. Hopefully, you guys find it helpful. All you lurkers that keep on coming back, I know that you do. Now, I was also, as I was looking crypto, trying to find an Ethereum play. And I think Hive is going to be it. So do I still have margin? I do. I do still have a pile of margin here. So what I might do...
Remember not to buy it on your Canadian account.
Yeah. Thank you. Actually, I might buy this one on the Canadian account. Yeah, because this one is Canadian. Yeah, I think I'm gonna buy this. So let's go at $2. Let's do 3,500 shares. Oh, weird. It won't let me do a pre-market order on this.
The Canadian exchange usually asks for that. Wait, they have a US ticker? What the fuck?
Yeah.
Oh, that's an OTC. What was the F designation again?
Foreign.
Oh. Are you sure you want to buy it in your Canadian account, the American one, or?
Yeah, I'm going low and slow on these entries today and make sure I get them right. That symbol I entered is invalid. Fuck you.
Yeah, I think it's OTC. I think OTC doesn't allow you to do pre-market either.
So it'll let me put a day order in? No. It won't let me trade this. I gotta buy it in Canada when the market opens, I guess.
Yeah.
Why Hive? Hive is an Ethereum miner. I'm looking for somebody that's got Ethereum on hand that is an Ethereum miner to level out Mara. I think crypto as a whole floats, but I think Ethereum's got the most run to make.
Is it because it's cheaper than Bitcoin right now?
I don't know. I mean, I'm actually pretty happy with the... What are some notes here? This is the Bitcoin Trust, Bit Digital. What was the Ethereum one? ETHE, right? Yeah. What's this going for? 1522. It's a 16% premium on Ethereum. What to do, what to do, what to do.
Wow. So my peaceful friend that's like always hated Trump and all that sort of stuff, someone said, lock in your predictions. What do you think Biden will accomplish in the next 100 days? He said war. This is a person that doesn't like this is a peace-loving person. That's I'm actually surprised by this answer. So what war stocks are good? Lockheed Martin.
Yeah, Raytheon, Lockheed. So this has fallen from 35 to 31.5 today. Now, mind you guys, we did have a candle like this a few weeks back that ranged from 37 grand to 30 grand in one day.
Carson Block saw what I saw with that Lady Gaga bird thing. I made reference to Hunger Games, and he's just like, "Wait,
Yeah, I
President's
saw
no
it.
knocker."
BlackRock isn't investing in Bitcoin directly. They're opening futures trading on for them. Yeah. Yeah. BlackRock is going to be putting funds into Bitcoin futures. I didn't see the letter from Trump to Biden. Did he actually publish it? Trump's letter to Biden. Oh, there's the bell. Okay, let's go back here. Let's go to the big sheet. We were watching GENE today, Genetic Tech, and it is up. It is up big. I know you guys can't see it because of the camera, but I suppose what I should do is actually move this over here, like this, right? What do you guys think? Is that better? Marrowbone with no lube. Yeah, it is a. My entire portfolio is down 10% today, and it's gonna be that kind of a day. All the gains from last week gone. I did DCA at 1656 pre-market at 1686, 1670 right now. Teeny did predict a downturn. I do hide the ticker this way, but we know what, like, I'm telling you guys what we're looking at, so that's there. This is huge. Nice. 805 and going with volume. Are you in this, Snow? Oh, you missed it. A little bit of profit taking, but this is doing quite well. And as per usual, TD is going to shit the bed right out the gate. DGLY, Mara, MRS, and what was the other one that I am in? DTWN. I am still in DGLY, yep. Oh shit, it just keeps going. This will be it. This is what I'm watching here. Okay, I kind of don't want to mess around with I want to keep my eyes open for a play today. Let's go to the scanners here, see what's going on. BBIG, Celsian, top movement, naked, up 17, CLSN, up 78, Castor Maritime, up 4, ACST, up 18, Jagex, up 12, Sens is down 10. What is Sens? Yeah, this is one that we've looked before that I just wasn't a fan of. Fubo TV, Sens, Sensionic Holdings. Yeah, I'm not sure how I feel about this because I honestly am seeing genetic therapies being developed to cure diabetes. Um, yeah, Biogen. Yeah, I know Biogen. It's really solid long term. That's an options play more than an equity play, but yeah, it's a solid play. Um, let's see what we've got going on. Okay, so what I want is breaking news here. So let's go to Reuters and see what's coming up. How's AUPH doing today? Man, this thing has had a wild ride this week. This would have been a great thing to grab on Monday when I said I should have grabbed it. I really have to start trusting my DD. If I had grabbed this Monday at 13, it's up around 15 now. AUPH has their approval from the FDA tomorrow, supposedly. Okay, what about SPPI? What's that doing today? Ooh. Ooh. That right there looks like a tasty little buy the dip on SPPI. Did they get bad news? Spectral. Spectrum. No news. Okay. So here. I just took an entry on SPPI at 386. I think that's way too far to fall on no news. I'm going to continue to be in the game. By the way, guys, if you're new to the channel, if you could click that follow button, that's been huge. The growth on the channel over the past 2 weeks has been monumental. If you guys are regulars and you like to frequent stock twits or Twitter or whatever, if you could share out the stream, that's greatly appreciated, guys. I do really appreciate any help that you guys can give me in growing the stream out. Yeah, I need BTWN to wake up, and I need DGLY to wake up. Okay, so it's a bio play today, guys. Kodak should do quite well on this. SRPT? No, I haven't looked down a lot. Yeah, earnings were shit, and that's to be expected because a lot of their games are going to be coming over the next 6 to 8 months. I really think Kodak has a big day ahead of it. Um, where is it right now? Kodak is down right now. So I mean, I'm really wrestling with do I exit DGLY right now? I don't think that we're through the time of protests. I think sometime in the next um, 3 to 4 weeks, a person of color is going to be shot by a yeah, this is Coinbase is going to be shot by a police officer, and we're going to see what this administration does. Why the exit on IPOF? Because I needed the funds to move into Mara buy the dip. I am more bullish on Bitcoin than I am on IPOF over the next year. Yeah, there news is coming of a federal mandate on body cams and dashboard cameras. So they do still have that. They do still have thermovision tents. They've got the NFL. They've got like there's a lot of good with it. I think that their upcoming earnings are going to be good for it. Yeah. Okay. Mara, MRS, BTWN, DGLY is there, SPPI. Ethereum hasn't even really moved here. Oh, this is 5 years. 2 days, 2 days, 2 days, one day, 2 days. Yeah, so Ethereum dipped a little bit, but it's come back. Okay, breaking news. Let's go there, see what's coming out. Lemonade Street High, strong demand for Model Y. Westport gets more good news. We do still have our WPRT inside the churn and burn account here, guys. It's up 4,500. Holy shit. So we're still green on the churn and burn here. You know about Befarf? Bit Farms. Yeah, it's a Canadian Bitcoin miner. I like Mara better than I like Befarf. Yeah, I invest in Barf. Yeah, Befarf. Yeah. Uh, Revive Therapeutics. Zemetica remains one of the top. Okay, what's trending up here? Gene is up 70%. BBIG. CLSK is down. Fubo is up 10. AUPH is up 1. ADXN. Fastly. Hmm. Okay, I'm pretty happy with the buy the dip on SPPI. I think I'm okay with that. Let's see what's going on over on DGLY. Come on, reversal time. Yeah, I mean, what do you guys think the odds are of a body camera mandate? Do you think that happens? Federal body camera bill inspired by Park Police killing of Bijan Gazir, included in House Police reform package. Abez with that sweet cheer. Huddle, huddle, huddle. If the Fed can't mandate body cameras nationwide, they will certainly have to give incentives like funding. Yeah, the money would have to come from the government for sure. Around 30% of agencies who responded use body cameras. I need to update my tip ranks here. I'm out of IPOF. I'm not holding Zemetica, and I haven't been for a while, so that's got to go. Okay, let's check the numbers here. So DGLY, it says that I've got 8,500 shares. That's accurate. BTWN 1,400, that's accurate. Mara 1,100. Mara's not even on here. Okay. Mara. 1,100 shares at 1769. And then SPPI 386 1,500. SPPI. $1,500 shares at 86. Okay, I'm not in fire anymore. That's gone. But MRS I am in. Not at 20,000 though. This should be 400 at 39. SPY is not doing well this month. 1.2. My portfolio is up 30% on the month. This might be better, says 45%. They're averaging an increase of around 1,200 agencies a year. MBRX 10%. Let's go. Still have some MBRX in here. I'm down quite a bit on it though. I got $1.72 average. This is based just off of Axon though. That's what they're basing this off of, is Axon's reports. WatchGuard, Axon, WatchGuard, none yet, pilot program only. So it's Axon across the board here. Let's go. Hmm. Yeah, not current enough, and also it's restricted to just Axon, which I'm not a huge fan of. Okay, let's go to the last earning call here. I'm gonna read the last DGLY earnings transcript and see what it is that they see as positive catalysts moving forward. Yeah, I think it just needs the headline, right? It's not really about whether or not they're the ones to get it. Okay. So what I'm doing here is Samu Lives. Thanks so much for following, man. Let me know how you found the stream, what it is you trade. Okay, DGLY earnings transcript. Okay, just gonna grab a coffee and then we'll break this down. iPicks just crashed. Glad I got out when I did then. Where is it? 23? Weird. Yeah, now we wait. I mean, honestly, from what I'm seeing here is now we wait. Okay, blah, 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 forward-looking statements, blah, blah, blah. Second quarter was a little tough, obviously, with the country being shut down as much as it was. Things have dramatically changed. I think that the first of all, I just tell all the employees that he's proud of them, yada, yada, yada. CFO. Revenues were up 23% year over year. More importantly, we had 3.6 million in revenue for the quarter, total revenues, and that was our best showing since the first quarter of 2017. Number of subscriptions. We've been informed of a major subscription expect during the rest of 2020 that involved full-scale implementation. Okay, so this is interesting. Royal Caribbean is one of their commercial clients. So as Royal Caribbean gets back to it, so too do they. That's a long haul, though. That's a long time away. Um, Chiefs and the Giants. $8 million in cash, 14 million working capital. 1.4 billion PPP loan. This has got to be million, right? So what do they have as far as debt? There's a $150,000 loan, which is part of the CARES Act, and a $150,000 loan at a 3.75 interest rate. Strong balance sheet. So NFL, cruise lines, NASCAR. Come in. Thank you. I might. I might take a cruise line position. They got a military contract early in the year. Hmm. And okay, a lot of positive catalysts, very little debt. Spy's green now. Hooray! Bitcoin's 31.8. Not quite the bottom of the candle, but I mean, let's see what Bitcoin does on the day. Monty the Lab with that sweet, sweet follow. How'd you find the stream? What do you trade, sir? Other than cruise lines. You and me both, brother. You and me both. Oh, another StockTwits guy. Sweet. Yeah, I mean it's a buy the dip for me. I'm pretty solid on that being a buy the dip. It sucks that it's down the way that it is today, but there's too much upside potential on it. I don't see how it's not going to be a $5 stock. Mara's coming back for me here, erasing some of the losses. No news from SPPI. Bridgetown. Yeah, I mean, Bum ba bum bum ba bum bum bum. Bum ba bum bum ba bum bum. What is gram F? Bum ba bum bum ba bum bum bum. IBM could come down. Reddit expands no charge testing. Why would analysts be optimistic on Keystone being canceled? Hmm. Yeah, I mean, honestly, I think that this is way too far a fall here. Um, I think I'm just going to resolve myself with DGLY that it's a long hold. It is there. The play is there. The positive growth is there. As cruises, sports, and whatever comes back, I mean, what do the analysts have to say on this? What do these guys have to say? DGLY price target 12 months. No analysts on it. Okay. $5 price target. 12-month price target. Consensus over the last 2 quarters, it beat. Okay, they're forecasting 3 million in sales. They did 3.5 Q3. I mean, Q2 was the crazy lockdowns. Q3 we saw lockdowns. Is LAC going to keep free falling? I hope so. If LAC falls sub 20, I'm definitely interested. Hello? No. Can you ask Jenny to brew coffee, or can you brew coffee, please? Um, dental lasers. Dental is one that's going to come back in a big way because a lot of dental procedures had been locked down. Um, Just looking at the churn and burn right now. Okay, so we're down on Mara, down on BTWN, down on DGLY. We are up on iPod, up on IPOF, up on WPRT, up on Views, up on Waiter. So we're still green by 5K, even though we've got a losing DGLY position, two of them, and a losing BTWM position, and a losing Mara position. We're still on the green. BTNB tomorrow. DGLY above VWAP. Is it above 250? Yeah, above 250. All right. Uh, uh. Oh well, it is what it is. Mara's coming back a little bit. In the long run, guys, my Mara position I am confident in. I was able to take it. I was able to DCA down from an $18 average to a $17 average. So I'm pretty happy about that. I think what happens here, guys, is there's not going to be a lot of trading over the next little while because looking at this, Mara, SPPI, BTWN, and DGLY are all going to require news to move. So my portfolio is essentially going to be locked. Um, I think what we're going to do is on days where I don't really have trades outlined, I don't really have anything that I can be actively trading on the day. I think we are going to do ticker breakdowns. Um, yeah, I don't think I will be actively trading. Why do you sell IPOF but keep BTWM? Because IPOF I was selling on a profit. I had gains of about 3 grand on IPOF. Yeah, I sold at 15, and I was in at 1247. So close to 3 grand profit I took. Whereas if I exited BTWN, I would be exiting at a loss, and I would rather exit on the win, average down on Mara, and then trust that my evaluation of Bitcoin is accurate. Um, with Bitcoin at 31.5 right now, we're going to see a decision made on Bitcoin real quick. iPod is taking off. Okay, let's qualify taking off. To the big sheet. Yep, that's a nice little pop. That's a very nice little pop. Can't find any news? Let's find it. Let's find the iPod news. I like Mara better than Riot. I like. I've always liked Mara better with Riot, especially with how many new miners they have. Um, yeah, I'm not seeing any news on iPod either. Um, Chemist's back. Let's see if there's anything that pops in the news here. Hmm. Yeah, I mean, it's looking more and more like it might be auto grid for IPOD. Thirty-one two. How low does she go? Phil Taves, the economy 12 months ago was in much better shape than it is now. The stock market's 50% higher and the momentum reigns. Ray McGuire says that the Capitol siege was a travesty in comparison with the peaceful racial justice protests. It's a hard argument to make. On the churn and burn, yeah. Yeah, we still have a WPRT holding here. We're up 5 grand on this now. And that's without the China news. They still haven't got their China news yet. Mara's coming back a little bit here. I'm only down 800 on it. So that's not so bad. DGLY 253, so seeing a little bit of gain on that. BTWN continues to do what it does, which is sweet nothing. Uh, yeah, yeah, WPRT is having a very nice day right now. I think as we head into China news, we're going to see it be pretty crazy. For those of you that don't know, WPRT was the clean energy play. Um, all right, guys. Honestly, I know it's a little bit early today, but there's nothing really doing here for me. It's just me waiting the rest of the day. I think what I'm going to do is cut it short today. Typically, I take F Wednesdays off, and I didn't yesterday because of the inauguration. So I think I'm going to call it. I think it's going to be an early day for me today, guys. Um, but you guys get to go hang out with Rita, which is always a good time. But I think I need to just take the day. Uh, I probably won't be taking any other trades the rest of the day or for the near foreseeable future. So that will be there. But thank you so much again, guys, for everybody that swings through and watches. I will be back tomorrow morning, 9 a.m. hopefully in a little bit better mood, a little bit more energy, but I think I'll take the day. It was great hanging out with you guys. If you're not following, follow. I'll see you tomorrow, 9 a.m. And we are heading over to raid Martini in 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Later.